Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, we're going to get a little spicy. We're going to make chorizo sausage and roasted vegetables. If that sounds good, hang out, and we're going to get to cooking. Alright y'all, here's what we got cooking today. Our vegetables, going to be some Brussels sprouts, some nice little red skin potatoes, asparagus, red onion, and some mushrooms. And of course we got 3 links of chorizo sausage here. So I'm going to get to cutting these vegetables up and get them out on we'll actually throw them in a bowl first. We'll toss them with some olive oil. And then we'll get them laid out on the baking rack. Yes, we're going to be using the oven today. So I'm going to start cutting this stuff up and we'll get to busy. Alright y'all, we're going to start out with our Brussels sprouts. Y'all may know how to do them already, but what I do is I go around and I'll take off any dark leaves or anything like that, and then just chop the stem off. And I just like to have mine halved, so you can look around them, make sure there's no dark leaves or anything on. So trim a little bit of that stem off, hack, there we go. So alright, I'm going to keep doing that. And they'll tell you which, if they got any leaves that they want to come off. So now for the onion, I'm just going to cut the ends off. Peel this outside layer off. If there's any bad spots or anything, you can cut them out. Okay. Get that done. I'm just going to quarter it. And this one's fairly big, so we might go ahead and just cut it into little smaller pieces. That way it roasts a little better. Alright. Now Now we're going to do up our taters. I like the little red skins. You can use whatever style you want, or whatever variety you want. And all I'm going to do is, these are the small ones, so I'm just going to quarter them up like that. Throw them in there to cook. So just nice and easy, quartered up. Do a few more here. Alright, enough taters. I'm going to do our asparagus next. Now, when I do my asparagus, I don't like this part down here, so I'm going to do about half, just like that. I take the rubber band off, and then I just go through it, just kind of look through them, make sure there's no bad spots. So put those in the bowl, and take those, and we'll throw those in the trash. Now, if you're doing a soup or something like that, you can actually save those asparagus stems, trim them up a little bit, you know, towards the bad end there, you know, and leave a little piece, and put those in some nice soups and stews. So, all right, now for our mushrooms. I just quarter them up, the big ones, and these are baby portobellos. You know, like I said, the big ones. I'll just chop those in half. Small ones I may leave whole or just in halves like that. And then you get the cute little baby ones. We'll just leave them whole. So I'm going to do a couple more here. One more big one here. Alright, got our mushrooms. So now I'm going to get my baking sheet out, get everything ready to get all this mixed together. Alright y'all, got my baking sheet out here, all lined with aluminum foil. Now this is just some extra virgin spray olive oil. You can put some olive oil in the bowl, kind of toss everything. I just prefer to do it this way. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to knock you all over almost. And I'll just spread your vegetables out all over your tray. You know, that way there's no, they'll all cook evenly. Get the asparagus. I toss that down in there. I should have put the asparagus on bottom, but it'll be alright. It'll work its way down in. See? It's working its way down in. Now, get our taters. Rest of the vegetables there. Throw some onions over there. You can break the onions up. Put them out there where you want. Just want to kind of mix the vegetables all over the place. Try not to get them stacked up too deep, but they'll fall into place. It'll be alright. Trust me. I'm a non-professional. Alright. Got our vegetables all in there. Now, I take my cooking spray and just kind of make sure stuff's kind of laying down in there. I take my cooking spray and just give it a good, healthy shot of that olive oil. Olive oil is good for you. So, you want to make sure you get everything all nicely coated, just like that. And then I'll come back and clean my stove up because I've got some spritz around there. Keep it clean as you're going. Makes it a whole lot easier. So, alright. Now your asparagus, you want to kind of get it down in there. Don't let them tops stick up too much because they will burn. So, you know. Alright. Got our vegetables ready there. So, last thing to do is take your Chorizo Sausage and just lay it right on top. Kind of like that. Alright. Now, we're going to bake this for 20-25 minutes. Somewhere right about there. And then we're going to pull it out. Take the chorizos off because they should be cooked pretty well through. And heated all the way through. They're already cooked. But then we're going to slice them up. Sprinkle them back on. Give our vegetables a toss and everything. And put it back in the oven for 15 to 25 more minutes until everything is nicely roasted. So, let me get the oven preheated and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, oven's all warmed up. Slide this in. Set our timer for approximately 20 minutes. And then we'll check it, see how it's looking. Pull it out, slice them chorizos up, and we'll throw her back in and finish her off. Alright y'all, while that's in the oven, let's have a word from our sponsor. Oh, that's right, we're not sponsored. Oh, sorry. If there's any companies out there, you know, do cooking stuff, pots, pans, you know, cooking utensils, I'll even try, you know, some foods or whatever, hit me up. You know what I'm talking about. We do this on our own, no sponsors. Love y'all. Alright y'all, first round's done. Let's get this thing pulled out here. See how we're doing. Ooh, looking delicious y'all, looking delicious. Alright y'all, look at that. That is looking awesome. Let's check our taters here. Oh, they need a little longer. Brussels sprouts need a little longer. Onions coming along nice. Oh yeah. Mushrooms, they're getting there. Alright. I'm going to pull these sausages off. We're going to slice them up. We'll throw them back on. We'll throw her back in for probably maybe another 20 minutes, and then we'll check her again. So hang on. Alright, y'all, got this all cut up. I want to apologize to y'all. I thought I had 3 pieces of chorizo. I didn't. I had 2 pieces of chorizo and 1 piece of Hungarian. The Hungarian is not as kind of coarse, and it doesn't have the red juices rolling out of it. So you can kind of see, kind of reddish, where this is a finer grind. So, all right. I mean, it's all good. I like Hungarian. I like the chorizo. So we're gonna cook this all up anyways and enjoy it. Oh, also, I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of pink Hungarian or Himalayan salt over here. I don't usually use a lot of salt, but I do like a little bit on these roasted vegetables. Just kind of brings out the flavor a little better. So I'm going to do that and pop this back in the oven for, like I said, probably another 20-25 minutes. I'll keep checking the vegetables to see when they're roasted to my liking, and then we'll eat. Alright, y'all, it's been about another 20 minutes, and I can hear this sucker cooking away. Ooh, that looks awesome. Can you guys hear that? Oh, let me get the camera over here and show y'all what we got going. Y'all, that looks delicious. Them vegetables and everything look like they're done perfectly. Oh yeah, them taters are done. Brussels sprouts are done. Everything's got just a little bit of brown on it. Onions, sausages. Oh, delicious. Deliciousness, deliciousness, deliciousness. Y'all, it don't get much better than that. Oh yeah. So, alright. Let me let this cool a little bit. We'll grab a plate and do the beverage of the day and do a taste test. Alright, y'all. We got her in the bowl. Let's give her a little taste test here. I'm going to start out with a little piece of the chorizo. That is so good. I love chorizo sausage. Sometimes it can be a little spicy, but hey, it's good. A little Brussels sprout there. Perfectly tender, perfectly roasted. Feel the asparagus there. That is so good. We're going to do a 3-for. We got a little bit of onion and one of the taters. And one of them little baby bellas. Perfectly done. Little firm. Not real, mushy gushy soft. That is so good, y'all. That chorizo, once you cut that chorizo and that juice and stuff kind of spreads out on that pan, all the vegetables get just a little hint of it. It is awesome. So, beverage of the day, y'all know me. Got the coffee going. Nectar of the gods, y'all. Nectar of the gods, that's all I can say. So, alright, there y'all have it. Chorizo sausage and roasted vegetables. Now you can use any vegetables you want. This is my choice. You can throw carrots in there. I was going to throw some bell peppers in there, but I changed my mind. I figured I had enough going on with the potatoes and the Brussels sprouts and onion and all that kind of stuff, and mushrooms and all. So I didn't want to overwhelm the palate. Ooh. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you're going to give this one a try. This is, next best thing to having it on the grill. So love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.